Welcome. In this video I will show you how to split the screen on your HP 255. To split the screen between two or more windows, we simply have to, of course, open them first. Then we're gonna have to grab the top bar of one of the windows, drag it to the top of the screen, and then select the position for our window. So as you can see, we can place as many as 4 different windows on the same screen. We just have to select the position here, and then we have to select the position for our second window. Okay. Now the easier way is to just drag and drop the window to either left side or to the right side of your screen, and then open up the window on the other side of your laptop. And if you really want to make this useful, you also should use virtual desktops. You can open up virtual desktops by swiping 4 fingers up your trackpad and then selecting new desktop right here. Now in desktop 2 we can open the next 2 applications, for example. So I'm thinking Microsoft Store and maybe HP Support Assistant, so I don't have too much choice now. Now let's split the screen right here, and now if we just swipe 4 fingers to the left or to the right, we'll be able to switch between desktops, and this way we can use the display of our device efficiently with the split screen feature. If you want to close one of the virtual desktops, you have to swipe up 4 fingers and click close in the top right corner of the selected page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.